Today we fight to stop Skynet from ever being created, to change our future, to change his fate. The war to save mankind begins now. The war to save mankind.
What day is it? The date?
12th May, Thursday.
What year?
There he is, right there.
The order is engage the silent drive.
Aye, sir. Balance control. Open all the doors.
Yes, open all the doors.
Diving command. Engage Caterpillar and secure main engines.
Yes, open all the doors.
Diving command. Engage Caterpillar.
It is obvious that this contest cannot be decided by our knowledge of the Force, but by our skills with a lightsaber.
Bart Mancuso, USS Dallas.
Torpedo! The Americans are shooting at us again.
So, Miss
Careful, he'll hurt you. Ooh, this garbage can.
Do you mean to tell me that you could have taken your hand out of that cuff at any time?
No, not at any time. Only when it was funny.
Get
Come on, Eddie, where's your sense of humor?
out! Get out!
I can't unhear that.